What is a Terraform backend? Imagine managing a huge project with multiple team members all working on the same set of plans. How do you keep everyone on the same page? That's where a Terraform backend comes in. A Terraform backend is a setup that tells Terraform where to store its state information. This state file, called Terraform, tf_state, keeps track of all the cloud resources Terraform manages. It records details about virtual machines, storage accounts, networks, and more. This file is essential because it helps Terraform know what exists and what needs to change. By default, Terraform saves this state file locally on your computer. But that works only if you are working alone. When you have a team or want to run automated scripts, storing the state locally creates problems. Multiple people might overwrite each other's work, or the state might get lost if your computer crashes. To fix this, Terraform supports remote backends. These are cloud-based storage options that keep the state file safe and accessible to everyone on the team. Remote backends allow multiple users to access the same state file at the same time. They also lock the state during updates to prevent conflicts. This locking feature is very important because it stops two people from changing the infrastructure at once. There are several common remote backend options. For example, Amazon Simple Storage Service is often used with DynamoDB for locking. Microsoft Azure Blob Storage is another popular choice. Google Cloud Storage is used for Google Cloud Platform projects. There are also managed services like Terraform Cloud and Terraform Enterprise, which provide extra features like collaboration tools and version history. Configuring a backend involves adding a backend block in your Terraform configuration files. You specify details like the storage location, access permissions, and locking options. For example, if you want to use Amazon S3, you specify the bucket name, the region, and the DynamoDB table for locking. Using a remote backend makes managing infrastructure much easier. It helps teams work together smoothly, keeps your state safe, and makes automation more reliable. It also improves security because you can control who accesses the state file through cloud permissions. Plus, with versioning, you can track changes over time and recover previous states if needed. In the world of cloud infrastructure and infrastructure as code, a Terraform backend is a key piece. It helps teams collaborate, keeps everything organized, and ensures your infrastructure stays consistent across different environments. Whether you are working with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, setting up a proper backend is a smart move for any automation workflow.